partner in crime with me. Right, son?
Yeah.
That's my boy. We are on our way to Best Buy. I purchased a new smartphone to switch from our iPhone Mini 2 from. I'll give you guys a small hint before we get there. This is how much we paid for it. That's the receipt. What phone goes for that price? It's such an odd number. Well, you're about to find out. You ready, son? I like your Hot Wheels pajamas, son. Let me see a car on your shirt. Let me see. Wow. Is that a red car? For the moment you've all been waiting for. In today's video, I am going to try going from the iPhone 13 mini, which has been my pride and joy for the past year or so, to this. This is the iPhone Air. As you can see by the name right there, that is what we are going to try. Now, I've already tried the iPhone 17 on this channel, but since then, people have been telling me the 17 is not the worthy upgrade to the mini. As of now, since there is no new minis out or coming out, this is the next step. Basically, you're trading short and stubby for tall and skinny. Does that translate well for a die-hard mini user like myself and people like you watching? I don't know. We're gonna find that out. So, first impressions, not like being tethered in the Apple store by like an alarm or something. This feels really, really nice in the hand. That screen size though, that is a crazy difference. I'm going to update this. I'm going to customize it the way I want, add all my debit cards, all my tap to pay options, express stuff, whatever, all Apple Wallet stuff. And then I'm going to be living with this phone for the next 2 weeks for sure. I have 2 weeks to return it. In that 2 weeks, I'm gonna see if it's a worthy upgrade over my 13 mini. We'll see how that looks. We'll see how that plays out. If it's good enough to keep, it was on sale. I can just sell my 13 mini probably for $200 to $300 and put that towards this. I currently have this on payments. So fingers crossed that it'll be a good experience. I'll have a ton of videos about this phone on my channel for the foreseeable future. If you guys have any questions, if there's anything that you want to know in particular about my move from mini to Air, leave it in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer all those questions in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.